Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Alliance ROM on your Samsung Galaxy Note 2 and 7100. This is the XDA thread link. You can get it from the video description below. So this is by the developer Manny Binny. So if you go down, you get the download link. So here you can see the download link. You have to download from here, and I already downloaded this one, so I'm going to copy this file to my Note 2. So here you can see I just connected to my Note 2, so I'm going to copy this one and I'll go and paste it somewhere in my Note 2. I'll paste it here. So here you can see I copied that ROM file to my phone. So now I'm going to restart my phone to custom recovery. If you're in Flash custom recovery, you can find a link in the video description below, which will show you how to install custom recovery, this TWRP. Okay, to get enter into TWRP, you have to press the volume up, home button and power button at the same time. Press and hold it until this logo comes, then release it. So here you can see TWRP recovery is loaded. So from here, it's better you take a full Android backup from here if something goes wrong, and then go and wipe factory reset. Okay, that is done. So go back and then go and browse the download ROM file. It is there in external SD card. So here ROM file, here is the N7100 Alliance ROM. So select it and then confirm. So I started installing. The installation will take some time. Please be patient. Okay, so here you can see the installation is successful. Now I am going to reboot my system. Okay, now you can see the boot animation. You have to remember that the first boot will take some time because it has to create that Dalvik cache. Okay, now just finalize the installation with these settings. I'll do the Wi-Fi and all later. Provide Google account details. Provide your name. Samsung account. Device name. I'll choose TouchWiz. Okay, so you can see we are running new ROM. If you go to settings, about device, you can see we are running on Alliance ROM, which is based on 4.4.2. and that's it. If you want to see the review of this ROM, please look at the video description for the link. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.